चड कशी बघतायस हे इतले ब्युटिफुल क्रीम आणि स्टार्स हिंगासर तुम्ही मोठ्या दबाज्यान हिंगासर मनयता म्हणून गोंयान आख्या खंयच्याच पुलीस स्टेशनार इतलो बरो क्रीम आसना. द एफर्ट्स put by the Calangute police station, the constables and whoever has done this work is really marvelous under the guidance of Mr. Dalvi. And I pray to God because we understand that you all are doing duty over here. It's going to be a nightmare for the next 7 days. Yesterday only there were so many traffic jams. Even today I have seen traffic jams happening. Presence of police is very much required. So you all cannot go in this week to your houses at all. We understand and we also thank you for giving us good service, effective service. Even last night when I was there in Baga, I have seen traffic policemen and including Calangute police station policemen till 11:30, 12 o'clock at night on the Baga road. So this week is going to be very hectic and I can only say that people of Calangute can only pray for you and thank you for the service what you are doing for the people of Goa and India who are coming over here. So we expect that this tourist season and especially this week goes very well.
Calangute police station हे जो भाग असा तातूंतल्यान मागीर तशें चवथ हांगा मनयता क्रिसमस हांगा मनयता अशें सगळे ठिकाणी जावंक जाय आनी त्या हातूंतल्यानच एक जो आमचे मदीं जे एक प्रेम आसा तो विश्वास आसा तो वाडोवपाक अशे तरेचे कार्यक्रम मदत करतात. हांव कलंगूट पोलीस स्टेशनाचे इन्स्पेक्टर बाब दळवी हांचे अभिनंदन करता. हाका सपोर्ट आमचे आमदार आणि डेप्युटी स्पीकर ह्या सगळ्या कार्याक बरे रितीन संपूर्ण मतदारसंघांक न्ही तर अख्ख्या नॉर्थ गोंयांक ह्या अशे तरेचे बरे कार्य सपोर्टान सदांच आसता आणि त्यामुळे हे कार्य अशें फुडें वचूंक जाय. आनीक अन्य ज्यो काही गोष्टी असतात राजकारण आसतलें अन्य सगळे गोष्टी आसतल्यो त्यो नंतर आसतल्यो परंतु आमकां जे कितें राजकारण सुद्दां ह्या समाजाचे काम करपाचो एक भाग आसा त्यामुळे सगळ्या पक्षांनी सुद्दां एकठांय जावन हाजेर भर दिवंक जायो आणि ते उदाहरण म्हाका दिसता आमकां हांगा सगळ्यांक आमी सगळे ह्या माध्यमांतून एकठांय जातात अशे तरेचें वातावरण हे सगळ्या हातूंत जावंक जाय अशें म्हाका दिसता. त्यामुळे हे वाट दाखोवपी असो जो काही कार्यक्रम आसा तो आज आमकां करूंक मेळटा पळोवंक मेळटा आणि हे आयोजीत केल्या बद्दल हांव पोलीस स्टेशनाचे आभार व्यक्त करता तांकां धन्यवाद दिता.
Time to enjoy with the family members during the special events such as Ganesh Chaturthi and Christmas. So we like to take the pleasure of enjoying this is our family. We spend more than 18 hours at the police station. So this is our family. So we try to enjoy our festivals in the police station.